Hello friends, welcome to Real Time Study Objective YouTube channel. Here we are going to discuss 25 objectives from respiration chapter. Here you will not get any explanations. Just read the chapter and practice questions here. So let's start with the very first question without wasting any time. Before that, like, share and subscribe to the channel. So let's start. Which of the following group of animals is used lungs for respiration? Option number A, fishes, frog, tadpole larva. Option number B, fish, mollusca, aquatic arthropods. Option number C, reptiles, birds, mammals. Option number D, insects, earthworm, mollusca. And the answer is option number C, reptiles, birds and mammals. Let's move to the next question. Match the following and mark the correct options. Here, animals, earthworm, arthropods, fishes, birds and reptiles. Respiratory organ, moist cuticle, gills, lungs and trachea. Here are the options. And the correct answer is option number B. Now let's move to the next question. Process of exchange of O2 from the atmosphere with CO2 produced by the cell is called option number A, breathing. Option number B, respiration. Option number C, both A and B. Option number D, exhalation. And the correct answer is option number C, both A and B. Now let's move to the next question. Mechanism of breathing and the organs involved in various among different groups of animals. This difference depends on option number A, habitats, B, shape and size, option number C, level of organization, option number D, both A and C. And the correct answer is option number D, both A and C. Now let's move to the next question. The organ in reptiles which can be considered as analogous to the gills of fishes is/are A, spiracles, B, dry skin, C, lungs, D, trachea. And the correct answer is option number C, lungs. Now let's move to the next question. Which one of the following has the smallest diameter? A, right primary bronchus, B, secondary bronchi, option number C, trachea, D, respiratory bronchioles. And the correct answer is option number D, respiratory bronchioles. Now let's move to the next question. Match the columns. Larynx, trachea, alveoli, epiglottis. In column 2, lid of glottis, air sac, voice box, windpipe, common passage. And the correct option is option number A. Now let's move to the next question. Which of the following is not a part of respiratory tract? Option number A, nasal chamber. Option number B, esophagus. Option C, pharynx. Option D, trachea. And the answer is option number B, esophagus. Lungs are covered by option number A, perichondrium. Option number B, pleural sac. Option C, perichondrium. Option number D, periosteum. And the correct answer is option number B, pleural sac. Now let's move to the very next question. The correct sequence of air passage in human is. Here are the options: option A, option B, option C, and option D. And the correct answer is option number D. Now let's move to the next question. Which is a common passage for both food and air? Option number A, trachea. B, esophagus. C, pharynx. D, glottis. And the correct answer is option number C, pharynx. When there is no air in initial bronchioles, they does not collapse. It is due to option number A, presence of lecithin. B, presence of incomplete cartilaginous rings. Option number C, presence of complete cartilaginous rings. Option number D, presence of mucus. And the correct answer is presence of incomplete cartilaginous rings. Now let's move to the next question. Which portion of the human respiratory system is called sound box? Option number A, larynx. B, trachea. C, nasopharynx. D, glottis. The correct answer is option number A, larynx. Larynx is present in between option number A, epiglottis and glottis. B, trachea and bronchioles. Option number C, epiglottis and trachea. Option number D, bronchus and epiglottis. And the correct answer is option number C, epiglottis and trachea. And let's move to the next question. At which level of vertebrae of the vertebral column trachea divides and forms bronchus? Option number A, 4th thoracic vertebrae. Option number B, 5th thoracic vertebrae. Option number C, 7th thoracic vertebrae. Option number D, 3rd thoracic vertebrae. And the correct answer is option number B, 5th thoracic vertebrae. Now let's move to the next question. Bronchioles are formed by option number A, protoplasmic extension of trachea. Option number B, structural modification of pleural membrane. Option number C, repeated division of bronchi. Option number D, calcification of pleural membrane. And the correct answer is option number C, repeated division of bronchi. Now the next question. Which of the following structures is not supported by incomplete cartilaginous rings? Option number A, trachea. Option B, secondary bronchi. Option C, terminal bronchioles. Option D, primary bronchi. And the correct answer is option number C, terminal bronchioles. Now the next question. Outer pleural membrane is in close contact with option number A, surface of lungs. Option number B, thoracic cavity. Option number C, both A and B. Option number D, alveoli. And the correct answer is option number B, thoracic cavity. Consider the following tables for mentioned structure and select correct sequence of their arrangement. A, B, C, D, E, F are given. Arrange them in their order. And the correct answer is option number A. Now, conducting part of the respiratory system comprises option number A, external nostrils up to the terminal bronchioles. Option number B, internal nostrils up to trachea. Option number C, epiglottis up to trachea. Option number D, larynx up to bronchi. And the correct answer is option number A, external nostrils up to the terminal bronchioles. Now, respiratory or exchange part of the respiratory system comprises option number A, lungs and pleural membrane. Option number B, alveoli and their ducts. Option number C, bronchus and their protective covering. Option number D, diaphragm and alveoli. The correct option is option number B, alveoli and their ducts. Now, the dorsal, ventral, lateral and lower side of thoracic chamber is bounded by option number A, vertebral column, sternum, ribs, diaphragm. Option number B, vertebral columns, ribs, sternum, diaphragm. Option number C, diaphragm, ribs, sternum, vertebral column. Option number D, ribs, diaphragm, sternum and vertebral column. The correct answer is option number A, vertebral column, sternum, ribs, diaphragm. Now, in humans, which of the following is not a step in respiration? Option number A, alveolar diffusion of O2 and CO2. Option number B, transport of gases by blood. Option number C, diffusion of O2 and CO2 between blood and tissues. Option number D, utilization of CO2 by cells for catabolic reaction. And the correct option is option number D, utilization of CO2 by cells for catabolic reaction. Now, lungs have a large number of alveoli for option number A, having spongy texture and proper shape. Option number B, more surface area for diffusion of gases. Option number C, more space for increasing volume of inspired air. Option number D, more nerve supply. And the correct answer is option number B, more surface area for diffusion of gases. The conducting part of respiratory passage cannot. Option number A, humidify the inhaled air. Option number B, clean the inspired air. C, perform gaseous exchange. D, warm up the air. And the correct answer is option number C, perform gaseous exchange. Now, thank you for watching. And before leaving, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.